Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. This is going to be a quick unboxing of the Apeman LCD digital projector. This is a 5,000 lumen LCD projector, good for a 30-inch to 200-inch size screen. Yeah, it's the LC400 is this particular model number. And let's look at what's on the box there. You've got multiple inputs on this, portable design, home cinema, you get a carrying case, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to unbox this. I want to point out, this is really cool. Look at this. The sticker that holds this, it's tabs for easy removal. I mean, how many times do you get one of these stickers and you're like digging, trying to get that thing off? They put a tab on this to make it easy for you. I love that. That makes me think automatically this is going to be an excellent product. So let's remove that. Sorry about that. And open this guy up and check it out. All right, so already this is kind of cool. Included in this box is a screen. So a lot of times you get a projector, like I don't have a really good screen, I'm going to put it on the wall, but my wall is not exactly white and not ideal for this. Well, they include a screen. Now this isn't going to be several $100 screen probably, because basically it's for free, or at least it's included with your price, but still it's going to be a screen. I don't want to, let's go ahead, I'll go ahead and open this up because I just want to see, and I'm sure you want to see kind of what screen quality is like. So inside of here you've got, there it is, it's a 100-inch projector screen, and you've got ways to attach it to your wall or various things. Yeah, it's just a very simple cloth screen. You can see it's similar to like if you just used a white sheet. This isn't like highly reflective material or anything like that, but yeah, simple. If you wanted to use this outside, you could hang this outside easy enough. But that is your 100-inch. You see it's got the grommets for hanging. Yeah, so that comes in the box. That's cool that they include that. And then here is the projector, and you can see they include a nice carrying case for that. I'm going to move this box out of the way. So you've got this nice carrying case with the Apeman logo on there, holding the projector. This is much smaller than I thought it was going to be based on the size of that box. I thought that it did come with a screen. I don't know what I was thinking, but I just was expecting this projector to have to be a lot bigger for what it is. You've got this pouch so you can put stuff in there. You've got cords, and you've got cleaning materials, little cleaning swabs. You've got your power cord for the projector. You've got a remote control to control the projector. You've got looks like an HDMI cord. Yeah, an HDMI cord, which you can use to hook up a Blu-ray player or many other things. And then you've got your projector, nice and held sturdy in this case by these Velcro straps. You've got your package of instructions, your user manual. Show you how to use everything properly. And then this is the projector itself. Oh, you have one other cord. This is your very old school cord. 2 audio, 1 video. So that's going to be old school, not high definition, just old school standard definition cord, but doable, usable if you have something you need to connect that uses those type of outputs. And then this is a projector itself. This is this is very small and very lightweight. I like that. I thought it was going to be much bigger, much heavier. It's very, very, very lightweight. Let's take a real quick look at it. You've got a lens cap over the lens. You've got your remote IR receiver. Here you've got your focus ring, and then a keystone ring to adjust the keystone if this has to be at a little bit of an angle. You've got controls here, input button, menu. I'm guessing based on these symbols, those are universal symbols. You've got your control, up, down, left, right, OK. This is go back, I'm assuming, and this is your power button. On the back here, you have another IR sensor. That's awesome. So if you're behind the projector, you can still control it with that remote control, because there's an IR sensor on the back as well as the front. You've got a VGA, so if you want to hook up a computer, you can hook it up that way through the VGA. Over on this side, you've got your power, and I believe this is a speaker. This thing has 2 speakers built in. That may be a speaker, or these may be the speakers. I can't tell. But it does have 2 speakers built into it, so obviously you also need cooling on these things, so it makes sense there's going to be a lot of vent ways, but looking at it, I'm guessing that these 2 are probably the speakers here, because they're spaced evenly apart, so that's probably the speakers. And then on this side, you've got a ton of inputs. You've got AV in, AV out for headphones. You've got a micro SD card slot, so you could throw movies or TV shows or home videos, whatever, on a micro SD card and throw that in there to play off of that. You've got 2 HDMI inputs. That's awesome. And you've got your USB inputs, so you can, of course, have movies and stuff on a thumb drive and plug that in and play directly off of that. On the bottom here, that's cool. You've got right here in the center, that's a standard mount, so you can mount this onto a tripod. And because it's lightweight, you wouldn't have to have like a super heavy-duty tripod. You could put this on probably any decent camera tripod, because it doesn't weigh that much, so that should be fine. You've got your foot adjustment, so this unscrews to change the angle to lift the front up if you need to, if you're setting this on a table or something. And then you do got these rubber feet to kind of help hold it in place, keep it from sliding around if you are sitting it on a table or a smooth surface. So yeah, that's the Apeman LCD projector. Again, 5,000 lumens. Can do a 30-inch to 200-inch screen. It comes with this 100-inch cloth screen that you can hang up. So if you don't have a screen yet, or haven't invested in a screen separately, you're okay, because you've got a 100-inch screen that comes with it. You've got your power cord, your HDMI cord, you've got your remote control, you've got your user manual, everything you need, and it all comes in a nice case so that you can easily take this with you, easily portable wherever you need to go. So yeah, that is everything that comes in the box for the Apeman projector.